Cat concepts. Purr. Most people think that when a cat purrs, it's happy, but a purr can mean many things. Other than happiness, a purr can indicate that the cat is frightened, feels threatened, or is trying to heal itself. The purr begins in the brain. A repetitive neural oscillator sends messages to the laryngeal muscles, causing them to twitch at a rate of 25 to 150 vibrations per second. That causes the vocal cords to separate when the cat breathes. Jumping. Cats have very flexible and strong back legs that allow them to jump high. Cats can usually jump 6 times their own height. The average healthy cat is about 1 foot tall, so that's around 6 feet high. Another reason cats can jump so high is their ability to release large amounts of energy at once. Breeds. Many organizations have different ideas of how many domestic cat breeds there are. Different organizations use many factors in considering the total number of breeds. The CFA only recognizes 43 breeds because they don't count any breeds with wild cat blood, like Bengals and Savannahs. The AFC, on the other hand, recognizes more breeds. They say there are 53 total breeds. The air riding reflex. Cats are known for always landing on the feet, but they have a method for doing it. The method is called the air riding reflex. It is the ability to twist mid-air and land on their feet. When a cat falls, it levels its head and turns the front half of its body 180 degrees, facing the front feet down. Next, the back half swivels around to match the front, and finally, the cat arches its back to absorb the landing. Communication. Cats communicate using many different calls. The most commonly known is the meow, which is usually used to communicate with humans. Another common sound is the purr, which has different meanings. Screams, snarls, and hisses indicate that the cat is angry or frightened. Chirping is like a chattering noise that shows the cat is excited by the sight of prey. Caterwauling is a long, low-pitched, threatening sound. Male cats use this sound when competing for a female. Closest relative. Carlos Driscoll, a researcher at the National Cancer Institute, along with his colleagues, tested samples of genetic material from over 1,000 cats, both domestic and wild cat subspecies. They found that the DNA of a domestic house cat matches the DNA of the eastern wild cat, which lives in remote deserts of Israel and Saudi Arabia.